Hello to all you fire alarm and siren fans on YouTube. It is FS Thunderbolt Fan 1000 here again with another Model 2 update. Well, I have removed the Model 2. This old hole is right there. The old pull is right there. Goes up to the lights. The old electronic pull, I gotta reinstall that. Better things than joist hangers, because that kind of sucked. But here's the new 16-foot pole for the Model 2. Goes 3.5 feet down, so I gotta cut that conduit there eventually. But I'm leaving it hang with some play till I get it up. I just secured it the first couple of feet, so that way it won't move. Goes up to the mounting bracket here. So, yeah, Model 2 is over there. That's the spare housing. Gotta bring that one inside. But yeah, the conduit comes out the top here. Probably silicone around that or something. So that way bugs and crap don't get in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So the conduit comes out the ground right there. Then it will connect into the siren. So it comes out here. It connects to the siren, which will be there. Because if you go over here, you probably can't see it real well, but here's the Model 2T. You can see it somewhat okay. But yeah, this is the Model 2T. Some spare conduit fittings I had. Where the conduit goes into the basement. Maybe you'll be able to see it, probably not. It's right there. And that goes along there. And underground. And up back to the siren. So hopefully it'll be up next week Monday-ish. Because that's when the dude who makes my decals gets back into town. I do not have any Federal Electric ones, so it's just going to be rocking the Sheboygan Warning Systems logo and a Civil Defense one. Here's the repainted housing. Right, yeah. Looks pretty good. It was getting a little faded, starting to turn a little pink. And I actually repainted it the whole thing this time. See, 12-year-old Siren Kitty Tom back in the day is a little different than 18-year-old Siren dude Tom now, so did a good restoration job on it this time, just not the Rust-Oleum spray paint job. You can kind of do a Federal signal antenna mount if I ever radio activate it. It's kind of the way theirs is. Like two pieces of conduit like this, and it like clips to there. So maybe if I ever get an antenna or a radio activator, I can use that for that. Real radio for the fire department. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the Model 2 update. Saw some guy comment on it today, which is Thursday today, so I'm probably going to end up uploading it tomorrow, which will be Friday. He's like, what's the deal with the Model 2T? When's it going up? So hopefully Monday, if I had to take a guess. I was able to get most of this done today and dug the hole. So, yeah. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, one more thing, you guys, I kind of forgot. So, I decided to put the cover and the whole siren on there just for craps and giggles, even though I'm going to take it off till it goes up. But I gotta say, it is looking pretty good. This is by far one of the best installs, I think, ever. It looks very good, I think. So, I think it looks pretty professional. Like, I wouldn't call it, like, too great, but, yeah, but otherwise I think it looks pretty good. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now that's the end.